Hello everybody, this is Captain Crunch. As you can see, I've been away for a little while, but that is because I went to study programming. So today I am going to share that knowledge with you, and I am going to show you how to increment a number in web. So as you can see, I have already prepared a little page. So we have very good HTML6 here, and as you can see, I have a number that is centered and a button. So this button that calls count. So this function. And the goal of this tutorial is to increment this number you see here and simply add 1. So I click here and it says 1 and then 2, etc. So I am going to show you how to do this in the most optimized manner. So first you want to select the number here. So for this you use jQuery and you simply write this here. So you copy paste. I'm using Notepad, which is very good editor in my opinion, but you can use other editor. So you choose this number and you simply change the HTML. So there is a jQuery function for this, it's HTML, and you write what you want in it. So if I save and reload the page, you see it's working. Now if I want further number, there are multiple ways to do this, but the best way is simply to copy paste this line here and simply write here HTML2. But if you do this, you will see there is issue. Exactly, so you press here and it turns to 2 because it does this number and then this line. So to do this, we can simply use if. So simply what we can do is if the current number is equal to 0, then the next number will be equal to 1. And then we can copy and paste this line here. So if number is equal to 1, then number is equal to 0, to 2. Very simple. But if we test this, it will still not work because the number is 0, then it turns to 1, then since it's 1, it goes in this condition and it turns to 2. So there is two ways to prevent that from happening. I will show you both ways. So you can here simply write return false. You can also write it 2 times to be sure it's called. And if we do this, once it goes to this condition, the program will stop. So we can try again. As you can see, it's working perfectly. But let us say I want to add a third number now. So it's very easy. You copy paste the code. There you go. 2, 3. So we will have the same issues as before. It will go to 3 here. So what we can simply do here, instead of returning false, we can move this line here and put it here. So instead we can do a reverse programming hack. I called it this way. So we can check if the number is 2 and then put it to 3. And it will work because it will first check if the number is 0. So it will make it 1. And then it will check if it will check if the number is 2. but the number will be 1 here, so it will not go to this condition. And the third time, since the number will be equals to 2 here, it will not go to this condition and it will simply go to this condition. So let us try 1, 2, and 3. Perfect! Now we can simply copy past this and we can simply change the number 3 must be equals to 4, 5 must be equal to 6, and 3 must be equal to 4. No, 4 must be equal to 5. And we can do once again the reverse hack programming technique. So we can simply pass this here and it may be work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yay! So now if you want to, let us say, go to 1 million, you simply copy all of this as much as you need and you will have just to change the number here. So I will not do it because this tutorial may be long, but you get the idea. So there we go. Thanks for watching, guys. Now you can increment a number easily in HTML and jQuery. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the video for more video. To the channel, I meant, sorry. There we go. Have a good day, and I hope you can create awesome programs with this advanced technique WebScale 2.0. The next tutorial will be maybe how to decrement a number. So it's very hard, but it's the same as this, except we will simply change 3 will be equals to 2, etc. Okay, goodbye everyone. Thanks for watching.